of surgery.
Yeah, the name of the chapter is The Triumph of Surgery. What happens is हम लोग हिंदी में एक वर्ड बोलते हैं अति. अति means more than. Ati means more than required. And we say that anything which is more than required is always dangerous for us. Whether it is the wealth, whether it is money, whether it is something else like love, it doesn't mean that one should not love each other. No, it is very important. But at the same time, when a person is committing mistake, अगर कोई गलती करता है तो at that moment it also becomes important for us that we give the person a punishment, because reward and punishment always goes side by side. Similarly, when we are having pets in our home, ये तो थे बच्चों के बारे में कि बच्चे गलत करें तो हमें उनको जो है we need to punish them also. It's not that punishment doesn't mean that one doesn't love. Punishment is also a kind of showing your concern. If a person becomes stubborn, if a person doesn't understand, then we can make the person understand by punishment. Similarly, when we are having pets at our home, तो एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज हो जाती है कि जो पेट्स होते हैं वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. इट इज़ वेरी इजी, पीपल से कि इट्स वेरी इजी टू कीप पेट इन आवर होम, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन विथ मेनी पीपल हु से ओ इट इज़ सो ईजी, वो तो अपना एक जगह पड़ा रहता है, ही डजंट केयर. नो, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. वी नीड टू लुक आफ्टर इट्स नीड्स. And one of the need besides food is regular exercise. The exercise has to be according to the breed, according to the size of the dog. The bigger dogs, they require more exercise, vigorous exercise. क्योंकि हम इवन हमारे लिए भी हम लोगों ने एसएसटी में पढ़ा था कि जो हमारी कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है दैट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्क वी आर डूइंग. The people who live in the rural areas, they require more calories as compared to the people who are living in the urban areas. So this fundamental principle goes well for the animals also, specifically if they are pets, because the street animals, they know how to survive, they know how to go about. लेकिन पेट्स हैं तो वी नीड टू. अब यहाँ पर दिस इज द चैप्टर ऑफ अ पर्सन who is called as Mrs. Pumphrey. She is a very kind lady and she also has a pet whom she loves more than a child. And similar to what a mother pampers her child, she also pampers the dog too much. Too much to the extent that the dog becomes greedy for food without any exercise. The narrator, Dr. Harriet, who is also a veterinary doctor, the doctor who treats animals, he is also, when he meets, he knows that this dog has to be brought, this dog has to be treated. And it happens so that within a short span, the lady comes over to the doctor and she complains that the child, that is her pet, is very, very ill. Now, the doctor knows that this dog needs only treatment of no food. But he also knows that it is very difficult to convince Mrs. Pumphrey. Therefore, he just hatches a plan and says that this dog needs medical attention, that too at the hospital, a surgery. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey takes this medical hospital surgery as the surgery which has to be done. Though she is not so happy, yet for the sake of her dog, she accepts. And the dog is treated at par with other dogs without any food for certain days, and then slowly with less food and more exercise, and ultimately it reaches its normal position. Mrs. Pumphrey, when she comes to know, once again tries to pamper it, but Dr. Harriet avoids those unwanted stuff by eating them himself. And later, he gives back the dog to Mrs. Pumphrey. Both of them are too happy. So the first theme is that love shouldn't be blind. We need to understand that once, and sometimes it is also very important that we are taking proper care. Care doesn't mean that one should not punish or one should not give any rigorous or any physical work. It never does. And that has to be understood. And while we are treating the dogs, no doubt she was a loving lady, she was very pampering, yet she needed to understand. You'll be having, as from the examination point of view, you would be having the character sketch of Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky, as well as the doctor or the narrator. I was really worried about Tricky this time. Matlab, this was a time when he had first met him. There are 2 meetings, so please. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress. With his mistress means uski malkin, that is Mrs. Pumphrey. And I was shocked at his appearance. Why? Because he had become hugely fat. See, he has exaggerated. Fat, maybe उसने लिखा है hugely fat, like a blotted sausage. Has used a simile to compare that he was looking like a blotted sausage. वो इतना ज़्यादा जो है मोटा हो गया था, ब्लॉट कर रहा था, वो फूल गया था वो. And sausage is meat with a leg at each corner. ऐसा लग रहा था फूला हुआ मीट और 4 मतलब की जो है पैर है. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy, बहते हुए, stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. आंखें उसकी एकदम मतलब की bloodshot थी, reddish, and उसका जो टंग था वो एकदम लटक रहा था. Lolled from his jaws means it was. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain he was so listless. Listless matlab without any energy. Mr. Harriet, he seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. मतलब जब वो ऐसे symptoms दिखा रहा था तो she thought he is malnourished. So I have been giving him some little extra between meals. मतलब खाना तो दे ही रही है, साथ में उसके बीच में भी देती हैं some malt, cod liver oil. Malt is a kind of ऐसे जैसे कि Cerelac जैसे होता. Cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. मतलब खाना भी देती है, साथ में ये भी देती है. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? अब डॉक्टर ने कहा आपने इसका मीठा कम किया. Oh, I did bit for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak, but I had to relent. थोड़ा सा तो कम किया था, लेकिन ये इतना कमजोर हो गया कि मुझे जो है ना दोबारा से वही चीजों को देना पड़ा. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. इसको तो क्रीम केक्स इतना पसंद है, चॉकलेट्स इतना पसंद है, मैं इसे मना नहीं कर सकती. I looked down at the little dog. That was a trouble. What was the trouble? Means the dog के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम थी, यही आपका जो है the character sketch आता है. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. उसने कहा इसका सिर्फ एक ही है, that he was too greedy. उसको खाने को मना नहीं कर सकता था. एंड मतलब जब भी आप दे दो, और ये यही सोच रहा था कि मिसेस पंफ्रे जो है उसने तो ये चीजें बताई हैं जो देती हैं, और वो जो बताई नहीं है, व्हाट अबाउट देम? आर यू गिविंग हिम प्लेंटी ऑफ एक्सरसाइज? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see, but Hodkin, the gardener, has been down with lumbago. There has no ring throwing lately. थोड़ी बहुत मेरे साथ ही वॉकिंग कर लेता है, लेकिन जो हमारा गार्डनर है, हॉडकिन इज अ गार्डनर, उसको बैक में प्रॉब्लम है. लम्बगो इज अ बैक प्रॉब्लम, और इसीलिए वो जो रिंग थ्रो वाला जो गेम है वो आजकल ये नहीं खेल रहा. मीन्स द एक्सरसाइजेज वर ऑल्सो टू लिटिल. आई ट्राई टू साउंड सिवियर. यहां पर भी इट इज एलिट्रेशन. साउंड सिवियर मतलब बिट, यू कैन से स्ट्रिक्ट. सिवियर का यहां पर साउंड सिवियर मतलब थोड़ा उसने स्टर्न होके बोला. He was bit stern. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his foot right down and give him more exercise, he's going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. अब उन्होंने थोड़ा सा स्टर्न होकर उनको वार्न किया कि अगर आप इसका खाना पीना थोड़ा कम नहीं करते और एक्सरसाइज ज़्यादा नहीं करते तो ये बीमार पड़ जाएगा. आपको अपने दिल पर पत्थर रखना पड़ेगा और उसको स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट रेजिम फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. ही नीड्स टू फॉलो अ स्ट्रिक्ट रेजिम. These all kinds of questions can be there as an RTC. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mrs. Harriet. I'm sure you're right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. कहा ऐसे हाथ मतलब हिला के बोला, ओके आप सही हो लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल है. He set off head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Regime का मतलब होता है रूल. मतलब वो तो गई तो ऐसे थी as if she is going to follow these rules for the dog. I watched their progress with growing concern. उसने जो है मतलब वो देखता रहता था. He was living nearby only, इसीलिए वो उसको देखता रहता था. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Tottering मतलब कि becoming bit weak. In his little tweed coat, वो पहनता था and इधर उधर घूमता था. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. आप सोच सकते हो, for the cold weather, a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. मतलब थक थक के वो चल रहा था, अनस्टडी था. टॉटरिंग का मतलब हो जाता है अनस्टडी, और हार्नेस होता है जो कुत्ते का जो पट्टा होता है उसको हम हार्नेस कहते हैं. वी कॉल इट एज ड्रूप. तो ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू, बहुत मतलब कि ही वॉज बिकमिंग डिफिकल्ट टू कैरी, यू कैन से. एंड ड्रूपिंग का मतलब होता है थोड़ा लिम्प करना, बेंड करना. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. Drooping मतलब bit limping या थोड़ा आगे bend करना. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. What's the meaning of this line? मतलब he was assured that very soon Mrs. Pumphrey will be bringing Tricky to their हॉस्पिटल, क्योंकि वो मतलब कि थोड़ा बिकॉज ऑफ ओवरवेट ही वॉज बिकमिंग बिट डिफिकल्ट टू कैरी ऑन. द एक्सपेक्टेड कॉल केम विद इन अ फ्यू डेज. मतलब जो उसने सोचा था वो. मिसेस पम्फ्रे वॉज डिस्ट्रॉट. दुखी थी. शी वॉज वेरी अपसेट. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite food. Besides, he had bouts of vomiting. मतलब जो डॉग खाने के नाम पर ही उठ के भागता था, he was even refusing his favorite food. उसके अलावा he even was having puking. He spent all his time lying on a rug, पैंटिंग मतलब जोर जोर से ब्रेथ करना. रग आपका स्मॉल कारपेट. डिडंट वांट टू गो फॉर वॉक्स, डिडंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग. मतलब ही वाज he had become too lethargic, too lazy. I had made my plans in advance. जो डॉक्टर था, he had already hatched the plan how to treat Tricky. I had made my plans in advance. मतलब उसने पहले ही सोच रखा था कि वो जब आएगा तो मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. मतलब एक हफ्ते के मतलब 15 दिन के लिए. फोर्टनाइट का मतलब होता है हफ्ते, सॉरी 15 days. Fortnight is 14 days in fact. Week is 7 days. Fortnight is. और जैसे ही उसने ये बात बोली, the poor lady almost swooned. Swooned मतलब she was almost she had almost fainted. वो एकदम बेहोश होने के कगार पे आ गई. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. मतलब उसको पूरा का पूरा विश्वास था कि he would become extremely weak, pine and die. मतलब वो और कमजोर हो जाएगा अगर उसने अपनी मालकिन को, अपनी मतलब कि अपनी मिस्ट्रेस को रोज नहीं देखा. Pine and die is a phrase. Pine and die मतलब becoming increasingly thick and weak. But I took a firm line. I took a firm line मतलब I took a firm decision. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. वो रो रही थी. वेलिंग्स मतलब वो, पर उसके बावजूद भी वो गया उधर. उसने कार से बच्चे को उठाया, लिटिल डॉग को, और ब्लैंकेट में लेकर आया. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushion, toy, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. वो उनके साथ में जब गया घर पर, तो घर के जितने स्टाफ थे सबको they were roused मतलब उनको जगाया गया, उनको बोला गया. भाग रहे थे इधर उधर. एक उसका डे बेड ला रहा था, एक नाइट बेड, उसके कुशन, उसके रबर रिंग्स को, दिन सुबह के खाने के लिए अलग बोल, दोपहर के लिए अलग, रात के लिए अलग. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coat through the windows. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. अब इसने देखा कि भाई मैं यहाँ थोड़ी देर रुकूंगा तो ये तो घर का सारा सामान भर देंगे, और इसीलिए वो थोड़ा गाड़ी को आगे मतलब कि करने लगा. और मिसेस पम्फ्रे रोते रोते उसके जितने भी कोट वगैरह वो सब उसने जो है खिड़की से डाल दिया. एंड वाइल थोड़ा आगे जाकर जैसे वो मुड़ा तो उसने पीछे देखा, सब रो रहे थे. आउट ऑन द रोड I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. मतलब वो जोर जोर से ब्रीथ कर रहा था. उसके साइड में. I patted the head, मतलब प्यार से ऐसे मसाज करना. And Tricky made a brave effort to wake his tail. और उसने जो है अपना पूंछ हिलाया. That's the way they show how they are happy, how they respond. Poor old lad. Lad is used for boy, but here it has been used for Tricky. You haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. You haven't a kick in you मतलब you right now you are without any energy, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं तुम्हें कैसे ठीक करना है. At the surgery, the surgery here is for the hospital, for the veterinary clinic. The household dog surged round me. सबके सब जो है चारों तरफ इसके घूम के खड़े थे. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack. Pack मतलब the pack of dogs that's used for the group of animals. Like हम लोग कहते हैं fleet of car, fleet of sheep, class of boys and pack of dogs. झुंड. With dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. वो हाथ में था तो सब लोग उसकी तरफ देख रहे थे. इसने बड़े ध्यान से देखा और उसके बाद नीचे रख दिया. The other dogs, this had come in the paper. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, पहले उसको सूंघा जाकर. That's the way they normally, make their territory and they make understand कि कौन क्या है. Decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. ये हमारे काम का नहीं है. Because he was energyless, he was listless. उस वक्त उसमें कोई एनर्जी नहीं थी. और डॉग्स का ये होता है कि दे आर ऑलवेज ऑन देयर टोस. आई मेड अप अ बेड फॉर हिम इन अ वार्म लूज बॉक्स नेक्स्ट टू द वन वेयर द अदर डॉग स्लेप्ट. वो उसका जो बॉक्स जो उसका बेड था वो नहीं दिया उसको. इनफैक्ट उसकी जगह उसको जो है एक बड़ा सा बॉक्स दिया जैसे जनरली सारे डॉग्स को दिया जाता वहां, और उसको वहां रख दिया. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. उसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ पानी दिया. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. And on the third day, मतलब second day उसने क्या किया? Second day जब खत्म हो गया तो वो थोड़ा थोड़ा सा जो है इधर उधर देख रहा था वो. And on the third day he began to whimper. Whimper मतलब होता है making sound, very feeble. Feeble मतलब very very slow, हल्का हल्का, like pain हो या दुख हो. Whimper हम यूज करते हैं when we want to express the sound for pain or for unhappiness. When he heard the dogs in the yard, जब वो डॉग्स को देखता, जब डॉग्स की बात मतलब उनको सुनता तो उसको दुख होता कि मैं भी जाऊं. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound and his friends. जैसे ही वो बाहर गया, जो इनका मतलब वहां पे जो दूसरा डॉग था जो which was a greyhound, a breed, वो और उसके जो दोस्त थे उस चारों उसके चारों तरफ घूम गए. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. उसको पहले अच्छे से उन्होंने inspect किया and then they started going for play. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. वो इतना तो था नहीं, धीरे धीरे वो गया. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. Tristan was their assistant. Tristan जो था वो उनका असिस्टेंट था. एंड स्लॉप द फूड मतलब केयरलेसली डालना. पुटिंग द फूड विथ केयरलेसली उनके बोल में डाल रहा था. There was a usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for last part of his meal. मतलब वो यूजुअल हेडलॉन्ग रश का मतलब होता है जब भी वो खाना देते थे यूजुअली वो जो वहां पे जितने भी डॉग्स होते थे दे यूज्ड टू मेक द साउंड ऑफ ईटिंग एंड दे वुड बी हाई स्पीड में करते थे क्योंकि उनको डर लगता था कि अगर वो लेट खाएंगे तो उनको जो बाद में मिलता है लास्ट पार्ट, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. उन्हें पता था that they would be having the competition for the last part, इसीलिए जल्दी 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 खाते थे. That was a routine sight there. When they had finished, Tricky too walked round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jousing his way towards it. अब उस दिन तो उसको खाना नहीं दिया, लेकिन वो जो खाना बचा हुआ था उसको वो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके चाट रहा था. अगले दिन उसके लिए भी बोल रखा गया. सो ही when he saw, उसने जो है jostle his way. jostle का मतलब होता है you can say push. jostle का real meaning is push away. वो वहां पर भागा उसकी तरफ towards a bowl. From then on his progress was rapid. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. अब उसको कोई भी as जैसे कि मिसेस उसको तो लगता था that he was there as a treatment, लेकिन ऐसा कोई treatment नहीं था. It was only the play. He would run about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. मतलब fight. स्क्रिमेज का मतलब होता है फाइट, लेकिन यहाँ ऑलरेडी इट इज रिटन फ्रेंडली स्क्रिमेज. वो जो डॉग्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे को मारते पीटते हुए जो खेलते हैं वो. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. मतलब उसको धक्का देना, एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ के उसके ऊपर पैर रखना. ट्रैम्पिंग मतलब पैर रखना. He became an accepted member of the gang. The gang here is referred to the dogs which were present there in Dr. Harriet's hospital, in their clinic. And unlikely, why he has been mentioned unlikely? Because he was brought up in a house. Silky little object among the shaggy crew. मतलब वो बिल्कुल opposite था. He was very very you can say टेंडर. बहुत ही टेंडर था, नाजुक था. whereas जो बाकी लोग थे they were all shaggy. shaggy का मतलब जो काफी मतलब कि बड़े थिक होते हैं, जिनके लंबे लंबे बाल भी होते हैं, उसको तो प्रॉपरली उनको उसका नाम क्या उसकी देखभाल की गई थी. Fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. अब वो लोग जो है खेलते थे, जब खाना खाना होता था तो खाने के लिए लड़ना, देन चूहे को पकड़ना. He had never had such a time in his life. ऐसा तो शायद उसने कभी किया ही नहीं होगा, because in the home he was alone. He would only go for the walking and all. All the while Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. मतलब in the background मतलब पीछे से मिसेस पंफ्रे जो है दिन में कम से कम 12-13 बार कॉल करेगी, अब कैसा है अब कैसा है. I dodged. Dodged मतलब टालना. DODGED. Dodged मतलब टालना. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. जब भी वो पूछती उसका जो उसका नाम क्या है, उसके जो कुशन्स हैं उसको तुमने धो रहे हो, उसको टर्न करते हो, वो अच्छे मतलब कि प्रॉपर वेदर के अकॉर्डिंग कोट पहनता, तो वो उन बातों को टाल देता. बट उसने ये जरूर बताया that now he was out of danger and he was recovering. Convalescing मतलब he was recovering. He was recovering. Convulsing का मतलब है recovering. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. अब जब उसको पता लगा that the dog has become मतलब he is recovering, she was happy. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. अब उसको तो लगा था कि भाई मेरे बच्चे का ऑपरेशन हुआ है, तो वो 2 डजन यानी कि 24 eggs one time. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. मतलब फॉर अ हैप्पी पीरियड, मतलब कुछ वक्त के लिए तो हमारे लिए दैट वाज अ फ्री मील. बट व्हेन द बॉटल्स ऑफ वाइन began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. अब हमें धीरे धीरे समझ आया कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. मतलब उसको अब समझ आया कि मिसेस पंफ्रे वुड बी सेंडिंग वन थिंग और द अदर, कुछ ना कुछ तो अब वो भेजेंगी. पहले तो सिर्फ अंडे भेजती थी, बट देन द वाइन बॉटल केम. इट वॉज टू एनरिच ट्रिकीज ब्लड. उसका ब्लड मतलब कि वो करने के लिए, स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. This is not for the dog. It is for the vet and his friends. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and मतलब this is for the डॉक्टर. अब वो उस कुत्ते को तो देते नहीं थे, लेकिन वो खुद पी लेते थे, खा लेते थे. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. अब वाइन गया, ब्रांडी. For a few nights, a fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. उसको थोड़े टाइम के लिए तो उसको सुंघा भी देते थे वो लोग. There were days of deep content, starting well with an extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. These were all the time the doctor as well as his friends enjoyed. These things were not enjoyed by the dog but by the doctor and his friends. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. वो तो चाहते थे, मतलब temptation मतलब उनको तो लालच था कि they wanted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. The reason is because they were getting wine, brandy, eggs and everything. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering. She was suffering मतलब वो भी अंदर से परेशान थी. And after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. मतलब अब 15 दिन हो चुके थे. Week, WEEK, week is for 7 days. And fortnight we use for 14 days. Month is used for 30 days. So that's the way we count. So 14 days is fortnight. So after that period, उसने felt compelled मतलब ना चाहते हुए भी उसे फोन करना पड़ा. And told that the dog had recovered and was awaiting collection, मतलब आप उसको ले जा सकते हो. Within minutes, मतलब फोन करने के मिनट में, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. This 30 feet of gleaming black metal is metaphor. This is metaphor. And this is referred to the long vehicle, car, लंबी सी गाड़ी, 30 feet की. The chauffeur opened the door. The chauffeur मतलब driver, this personal driver, opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. अंदर Mrs. Pumphrey बैठी थी. Her hands were tightly clasped. उसके हाथ ऐसे थे. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? मतलब वो ठीक हो गया? Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. आपको बाहर भी आने की जरूरत है, मैं भी लेकर आता हूँ. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurling round and round the lawn, and in their mid-ears, flapping tail waving, was a little golden figure of Tricky. बीच में वो था और बाकी सब मतलब कि डॉग्स जो है मिलकर खेल रहे थे. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. इस 2 हफ्ते में ट्रिकी जो है वो एकदम से हेल्दी हो गया था. एंड लिथ का मतलब होता है ग्रेसफुल, पतला, थिन लेकिन सटल, थोड़ा ग्रेसफुल. एंड उसका जो पहले वो जैसे ब्लॉटेड सॉसेज था, लटकता था, वो नहीं था. उसकी जो चेस्ट था दैट वाज ब्रशिंग द ग्राउंड. ही वाज लुकिंग नाइस. I carried him back into the passage, back along the passage to the front of the door of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. और ये वहां पर लेकर गया. अभी भी गाड़ी को खोल के वो जो मतलब कि ड्राइवर है वो खड़ा था. और जैसे ही इसने अपनी मालकिन को देखा, उसने एक छलांग मारी. लीप मतलब छलांग, सीधे जाके मिसेस पिम्फ्रे के गोद में. She gave a startle, ooh, and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. और वो मतलब भौंक भौंक के उसको प्यार कर रहा था. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushion, coat, bowls, none of which had been used. इसने तो कुछ भी यूज नहीं किया था, सब वापस डाला उसने. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. और उसने कहा कि मैं आपको कैसे जो है थैंक्स कहूँ, क्योंकि द डॉग हैड बिकम फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, डॉग वाज हैप्पी. सो शी सेड दिस इज अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी. हियर her meaning surgery is maybe a surgery, but here the doctor meant to say surgery here referred to the clinic. That was a triumph of his treatment. Triumph का मतलब होता है success, and that was the success of his treatment. So that's the chapter, the triumph of surgery.